Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. Today I'm doing a video on stevia seeds, on how to extract those seeds from the flower. My stevia went to flower and I pulled the seeds right before the frost. It was on one of my videos. I'll link it here, whichever side it's on, so that you guys can see that and see what they look like. I have let them dry out, so now I'm ready to pull those seeds from the flower. So if anyone out there is interested in that and knowing how to do it, this is the video for you. So stick around and stay tuned. Okay, so these are the seed pods that you get from the flower. You pull them off, they grow on the tips like any other flowers that grow. This is what they look like once they have dried out on the flower. I pulled these off and brought them in the house. They were not dry when I brought them in the house. Some people say, oh, you got to leave them on the plant to dry. You do not. That's a myth. Because I do it all the time with greens and everything else, the flower pods. So all you do is take the ends of the flower pod and just twist it in your fingers and they just fall out. Just twist and they fall out. And what you're left with is these little things. Let me see. Let me do that one. All right. And what you're left with is, see these little things here? These are your seeds. These long things. These little furry, little splendidly things. I'm not for sure what they are. I guess they grow out of. I don't know. They might be part of the seeds too. I don't know, to be honest. Let's look at the ones I got in the packet and see what they look like. I have 3 different packs of stevia seeds. This is the very first pack I bought. I think Sugar Garden Plants. This is where I got it from. This is the one I bought this prior season, or this year. This is from Botanical Interest. And then this is from Rare Seeds. So let's see what they look like. I'm just going to open up and see which ones I've used. They might be all gone. But as you can see, that is what these are looking like. Just the little woody part, like I thought, and not the little fluffy part. So that is what that looks like there. There in the bottom. Never to get these to germinate, and this is actually the first pack I bought from Heirloom Seeds, which is Baker Creek. They did not germinate at all. I have not. Have I opened these? It looks like they've been open, so I have. Oh, yep. I tried it even with these. This is how they send them. I'm sure they look the exact same. If any is in here, I think I used them all. I did. No, it's 1 or 2 that's down there in the bottom. But yeah, they look the same. I might put them back in this packet so that I can have them and put them back in that since that's empty. I don't know if I tried these or not. No, these have not been open. But nope, got a bunch of them too. And they're different color brown. So they put the little fluffy things in this pack. So stevia, non-GMO, 100 seeds, and they're there. They send you a lot because they don't germinate well. But I'm going to try these too, along with mine. And I think I ordered these from off of Amazon somewhere. I'm not 100% sure where these came from because I just buy seeds. So these are the seed packets. This is what we have in here. And you see the little brown one pieces. We got some in there. So we're going to have to go through and get them out. to put them in the packet like that one. There's a bunch of them on there. Let's get another one. We have a bunch. We have a whole thing full of these seeds. Some of them have come out, some of them have not. So we're going to save them all. And again, if I left it in my last video when I did the pre-frost, I think, video where I was going through the garden and getting everything. If you are interested in some stevia seeds, and they're first come first serve, just go over to my Instagram page, Stephanie's Journey, same as this, and you can DM me, and I give you my address. Send me a self-addressed envelope, and we can go from there with sending up any to anybody that wants some. But you just come in and you sprinkle. The seeds are in the middle of these little fluffy things. I just sort of had fell out. And then I don't know what they call. I'm gonna call them little fluffy things because that ain't my line of business. I just like to grow food. I don't know technical terms, nothing. Ask me some IT stuff when we can do that. So there we go. Or some accounting. All right, so those there are the seeds. And if anybody else has grown stevia from seed, let me know and tell me what your trick was. Because I've had a hard time growing stevia as well as rosemary. I cannot get it to grow in time for some reason. Don't know why. So we'll put those in there. And that's it. That is it on how to harvest your seeds from your stevia flowers. And I actually had two different plants. So the flowers may look different. Like these look yellowish and the other ones look browner. Don't know what the difference is. They may be two different type of stevia. Two different type of stevia plants. I actually do not know because I got them from two different nurseries. One nursery in North Carolina and then one nursery. Did I get both of them in North Carolina? No, one in North Carolina and then one here in Georgia. So yeah, and these are a little bit lighter. They're not brown. And they're dried out, 100% dried out. And some of these in here, as you can see, those are yellowish. Those are brownish. So that's what we have. They're mixed together. So if anybody wants some, they're going to be mixed together. I'm not going in. They're too small. I'm not wasting my time doing any of that. But you're happy to. So anyway, that is it. All right, guys, so that is it for my stevia seed video. I hope that you liked it. Again, if you're interested in some seeds, and I have enough first come, first serve basis. So instant message me first, or DM, whatever the hell it's called these days. DM me first over on Instagram, and I will comment back and let you know if I have any left, and I can send you some. And you can send me a self-addressed stamp envelope, and I will mail you some out. So once again, thank you guys for stopping by my video. Please like, comment, and share. And any comments you have in the description box or questions, I'll be happy to respond to them. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Miana. Bye-bye.